Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my peanut butter pie recipe. This light and creamy recipe is perfect for any dessert or when you just want to satisfy a sweet peanut butter craving. Let's get started. We'll make our crust by adding some almond flour to a food processor. Add a sugar substitute equal to 1/3 cup of regular sugar. A little salt, some maple extract, and 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Blend until it forms a thick paste. Pour the crust mixture into a 9-inch pie plate and use your hands to gently spread and form the dough to the bottom and sides. Take a damp paper towel and wipe off any excess along the edges. Now using a fork, poke holes along the bottom and sides to help the crust vent as it bakes. Place in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes or until the edges begin to brown. Remove and let cool completely. Add 1 cup of heavy cream to a mixing bowl and beat with an electric mixer until it's able to form stiff peaks. Cover and place in the refrigerator to chill while we work on the rest of the pie. To a large mixing bowl, add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and beat with an electric mixer. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides and bring to the middle. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar substitute and mix it together. Now add some all-natural creamy peanut butter and scrape down the sides towards the center. And give another mix. Add some liquid heavy cream and give one more mix until it's all nice and fluffy. Add the whipped cream that we whipped earlier and just a little vanilla extract. Gently fold together. You'll know you're done when it forms one color. Pour the filling into our crust and spread evenly. Add some texture to the top of the pie by making a stabbing type of motion. Now place in the refrigerator to chill for at least 3 hours. Remove and top with some chopped peanuts. Slice, serve cold, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my peanut butter cream pie. A light and creamy dessert treat that'll satisfy any peanut butter craving. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.